Hello guys, Crisp here and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this KingKong Star from Cubot. This is a smartphone with some interesting specs that I will be utilizing to make a full video on my first channel, but just gaming on it, and seeing the battery life and stuff like that, the display and so on. But yeah, you can see some specs over here. 100 megapixel back camera. Pretty interesting, 32 megapixel front camera and the MediaTek Dimensity 8200. This is the most interesting thing to me because I benchmark things and I make performance reviews and stuff like that. So we're going to be taking a look at how that games in a lot of different titles, on mobile of course. Then it has a 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display and a battery of 5100 milliamp hours. Let's open this thing up. Good stuff. Also, this is the 12 gigabyte of RAM version with 256 gigabytes of storage. It says up to 24 gigabytes of RAM, but that's just because it can utilize some storage as RAM. Whenever that fills up, it will utilize some page file, like on PC basically. There it is. The Cubot is revealed. Kind of an interesting color right here. Oh yes! I totally forgot about this, but in the box itself, it has another screen on the back. It seems like it's an OLED screen, maybe. Well, it's turned off, so that's why it's really, really black, but I hope it's an OLED. There we go. I just removed the sticker that came over there. It just feels like you have a case on it already as well. It's really bulky, but it's not a case. It's actually the phone itself. Damn. Pretty interesting, guys. I've never held a phone like this before in my life. Actually, I don't even do phone reviews, but when they contacted me, I was interested. Check it out, in some games and yeah, get this off. Beautiful. And let's turn it on. There we go. It vibrated. Vibration motor feels pretty decent. Oh, those are some really big bezels. I mean, yeah, they show that in the box as well. As you can see, very big bezels. Cubot.net. While that's loading, let's just go over the rest of the things that come over here. Undetachable battery, okay, of course, like usual. I guess we got some information inside of here. Let's check it out. KingKong Star 2 from Cubot. That's the quick guide. We don't care about that. Oh, some screen protectors. One screen protector, actually. Nice. That's a really nice touch. Ooh, that's a big charger, actually. How much? 27 watts. Okay, not too powerful. I get 33 watts maximum there. Fast charger. All right. SIM ejector. And of course, the USB-C. Now let's go back to the phone itself. Hi there, English United States, vision settings. What is this? Oh no, I don't want magnification. No, I don't want it. I don't want it. And it's asking me to log into my account, of course, so I'm just going to do that. All right, so now we set up our fingerprint. This is just normal stuff. Oh, it's in the power button. Interesting. Kind of like some old Android devices, right? That's it. Phone is ready. Come on, can I change the brightness? I can, finally. Ooh, this is interesting, by the way. Like, the menus over here look very similar to my Google Pixel. Got the default clock from Google as well. What comes pre-installed, by the way? Let's check it out. Got the calendar, contacts, the clock has a weird icon on it, but it is the Google clock. We got the Notes app there, Keep. That's nice. They don't have a separate Notes app. I think the only bloatware here is actually this app right here, which I don't really need. But okay, not too bad. Music effects, don't know what that is. I'm gonna install that. Wireless emergency alerts. Okay. Well, everything else is pretty standard. Oh yeah, let's check out the camera right now. Okay, a little bit cool. I got Ultra HD here. What is this? What? That is a weird shutter sound. What the hell? Oh, Ultra HD means 100 megapixel photos. Okay. All right, interesting. Now we got a macro as well, which is probably there just to have another camera, Doesn't even focus. 4 centimeters for a macro. What? No way. Yeah, it's not very good quality, this macro camera. This one with 100 megapixels, it seems like it's not too bad though. Let me check that out. I got the dust particles and stuff. A little bit of a softening happening here, but okay. But yeah, that's it. Video, you can choose it's 4K by default. I like that. You can choose to have microphone on and off, apparently. Volume key, what is this? Oh, to zoom and shoot. This is interesting. And change the volume of the video as well. This okay. I like that. Any flicker. Interesting. And then there's more. QR code, Pro. There's a Pro mode. Oh, nice. We can adjust the shutter speed here. The focus. And also, I just found out it has this button right here. I don't know what it does. Well, right now it does nothing. Oh, it's a button to show your display right here on the back. And it's like a smartwatch. You can control your music. What is this? Camera as well? Camera occupied. Wait a second. Let me get out of the camera in this one. Can I use that with this screen off, by the way? Yes, I can. And it doesn't seem to be an OLED display, but it is pretty decent in terms of black levels anyways, so no problem. This one isn't OLED either, from what I noticed. So yeah, now we can actually take a full resolution picture. Can I take it with the volume keys as well? No, maybe if you set it in the app. Okay, all right, so then there's music, of course. I don't have any music here yet, but maybe I will. All right, what is this? A compass, of course. And that's it. You got 4 things over here. This is interesting. Ooh, little flap here to charge the device. It's pretty cool as well. Keep water out and stuff like that. And dirt. Very rugged device. Anyway, that's probably about it. Let's hear the speakers actually. Let's go to our main channel right here and hear the RX 580 video. This is not the RX 580 video. So it doesn't have a lot of bass at all, but it's very loud. Alright, it distorts quite a bit at the higher audio levels. Let's see how it does with some 4K playback. Ooh. Okay, so if you try to run it at 2 times speed, it actually struggles a little bit. Yeah, no problems with 4K playback unless you start playing it at 2 times speed. Alright, let me see if there's like a dark mode and then we're gonna get out of here. There we go. Yes, good. There we go. This is the max brightness right here. It's pretty bright. Not sure about the exact values, but yeah, I think it's going to be very visible outdoors. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching this little unboxing and kind of like setup, first time look at the Cubot KingKong Star 2. I'll catch you in the next one very soon. As always, love you all. Bye-bye.